Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a .edu email. First, start by clicking on your browser, open it, and then go to the VPN and choose United States and connect to it. Now go to solano.edu, link is there in the description below. After that, click on Future Students and then click on Application or OpenCC. After that, click on Create an account. Now click on Begin creating my account. Now open a new tab and search for fake US name. Link is there in the description below. Now click on advanced option and change the age to 25 years or below. Now copy the name over here and paste it on the first name on the OpenCC website. Paste all the information from the fake US name website. This is to say that you're from the US. Now give the same birth date which is there on the website. After this, they would ask you to enter your social security number. Now go back to your website. And then here they would have given you the first 5 digits. Now right click on the click here button to verify your social security number. The link will be there in the description below. Click on validate and then type the social security number and extra 4 digits and click on validate to check if it's valid. Now since this is valid, type the same social security number in the OpenCC website. This is important to be correct because if this goes wrong, then your .edu mail won't be sent to you. Click on continue. Now enter your email ID. You can enter your own email ID as the .edu email credentials will be sent to this email ID. After you entered it, copy the phone number which is there on the fake US website name and paste it. Now in the secondary telephone, change the last 2 digits of the same telephone number. Now in the permanent address, use the same address which is given. In the city, enter the city which is given in the address and the same state. And then enter the same PIN code. Now choose a unique username. This would be required to submit your application. And then enter your password. Now choose a random PIN of 4 digits. Now choose your security questions. Now verify that you're not a robot and you're a human. Now click on create my account. Click on continue. Now it would usually ask you to sign in again. So sign in, but sometimes it may directly take you to your application page. Now for the term you're applying for, choose for spring. Or you can choose any other option you want. It's not important that it should be spring. Click on education development and now click on any course you want to take and click on continue. Now click on the same mailing address as the permanent address. Select the enrollment status. Click on the high school education and select the education level. Click on continue. Choose your citizenship status and it's important to put as a US citizen. And then click on continue. Now click on yes as a Californian resident. Click on continue. Click on your main language as yes. And for the financial assistance, click on yes for both. For athletic interest, click on the first option. Now click on academic counseling or advising in the programs and services option. Click on continue. Now in the demographics, according to your name in the fake name website, choose it. In the race or ethnicity, click on no. Click on continue. Now click on Solano staff at community event. Click on continue. Now click on I consent by checking here all the options and click on submit my application. Click on continue. Now fill your application survey and click on submit survey. So now you will receive your .edu credentials in about half an hour. So after that, I've skipped to it. As you can see, your email should look like this. Now go to solano.edu. Click on My Solano. After that, use the username and password which is sent in your email. Now after it's loaded, click on Open Mail. This would open as a Gmail. Click on Accept. Usually this email loads in Hungarian, but you could go to your settings and change your language. And if your email is refreshing continuously, you could to solve this, you could log out and log in again. This would solve your problem. As you can see, it just refreshed. The settings option to change the language is in the third option. So that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for the next video where I will show you how to create your own gaming rig, a cloud gaming rig. Thank you for watching guys. Like, share and subscribe.